Evoto AI versus Photoshop. Which photo editor is better? Choosing the right photo editor can completely change how you enhance your images without complicated workflows. We'll look at Evoto AI's automation and Photoshop's manual precision. Evoto AI and Photoshop are both powerful photo editors, but serve different needs. Evoto AI focuses on AI-driven automation to simplify editing, while Photoshop offers detailed manual control for professionals. Core difference lies in ease of use versus depth of customization. Evoto AI is an AI-powered photo editor designed to automate complex editing tasks quickly. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze photos and apply enhancements such as color correction, retouching, and object removal with minimal user input. This makes it ideal for users seeking fast results without deep technical knowledge. Evoto AI works through an intuitive interface where you upload images, select desired enhancements, and let the AI handle the rest. Strengths include speed, ease of use, and consistent output quality, especially for batch processing. However, it has limitations in fine-tuning specific details or creative effects compared to traditional editors. Evoto AI is perfect for social media managers, marketers, and casual photographers who want professional-looking edits without spending hours learning complex software. It excels at enhancing images efficiently, but users wanting full control over every pixel might find it restrictive. Photoshop by Adobe is a professional-grade photo editing software known for its extensive manual editing capabilities. It offers a comprehensive toolkit including layers, masks, brushes, filters, and advanced retouching options. Photoshop works by letting users manipulate images at a granular level, giving full creative control over every aspect of the photo. Its strengths lie in flexibility and precision, supporting everything from basic adjustments to complex composites and digital art. However, Photoshop has a steep learning curve and requires time to master its features. It is resource-intensive and may overwhelm beginners. Photoshop is ideal for photographers, graphic designers, and artists who demand maximum control and customization. It supports integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, enhancing professional workflows. While it lacks built-in AI automation like Evoto AI, recent updates have introduced AI-powered tools to speed up certain tasks. Overall, Photoshop suits users who prioritize creative freedom and detailed editing over automation. Comparing Evoto AI and Photoshop highlights a trade-off between automation and control. Evoto AI streamlines editing by automating enhancements, making it perfect for quick turnarounds and users with limited editing skills. Photoshop, on the other hand, empowers professionals to craft every detail but demands more time and expertise. For example, a social media manager needing to edit dozens of images fast will benefit from Evoto AI's batch processing and AI-driven fixes. Meanwhile, a professional photographer preparing images for print or commercial use will prefer Photoshop's fine-tuning capabilities and creative flexibility. Evoto AI's simplicity may limit artistic expression, while Photoshop's complexity can slow down workflows for casual users. Both tools have their place depending on the project's demands and user proficiency. Choose Evoto AI if you want fast, automated photo editing with minimal effort. It's ideal for beginners and high-volume projects needing consistent results. Opt for Photoshop if you require full creative control and professional-grade features. It's the best choice for detailed, custom edits and artistic projects. Both editors excel in different areas, so pick the one that fits your workflow and skill level perfectly.